Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today's reading is all about the 1010 portal, which is a new portal that will open up for all of us as a collective. And before I get into what it is about, let me tell you that this reading is for all the lovely earth signs, okay? So if you are a Taurus, a Virgo or a Capricorn, this is your reading, okay? And we are going to do the reading with one pile each for the sign. So you'll have Taurus, we'll have Virgo, and we'll have Capricorn, okay? So let me start shuffling while I tell you what this portal is about. Now the 1010 portal is a very important and crucial portal. What happens when this portal opens up is we come into realization of the potential of a situation, of a relationship, of a circumstance that we need to be paying attention to, okay? So what needs to be released has we come into understanding what is it that we need to release. We come into the realization of what needs to be done for a situation to change, whether it is in a relationship, familyship, friendship, job, career, health, anything, okay? So this portal is very, very important to help us realize the potential within us and in any situation. Also, this year especially, this portal is very, very important because 4 major big planets are now going to go direct very soon, okay? Some of them have already started. So, and these are all big guys, okay? These are all big guys, which is talking about Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury and Pluto, all big boys, okay? And they were either retrograde or they were stable in a particular sign. So now these big guys are moving direct, which means it's a new flow of energy. And aren't we all wanting things to start flowing, being more easier, because we've all been through really challenging times for the past 2 years. So we all are looking forward to this free flow of energy, and that is why this 1010 portal is so very crucial, because though it is the 1010 portal, the energies which will start now flowing, you'll see these energies working out right till the end almost of November, okay? So it's a long time for the energies to play out, and that will give us a lot of time to readjust our focus and tap into what needs to be done. So let's get your final card on the board, and then we are ready to rock. So I truly hope and pray that these 1010 portals bring us uplifting messages, give us good direction and guidance about what is it that we should be doing during this time, okay? So all right, so earth signs, this is your 1010 portal reading, and we begin with you, Taurus. Let's start. Welcome, Taurus. Your first card you've drawn is adjustments are required. How appropriate. This is the 3rd quarter moon. Now, this is telling me that there are areas in your life, Taurus, that are not really giving you the kind of happiness, joy, security, stability the way you want it, okay? So this tells me that you are really waiting for things to change. Now, for things to change, the change has to happen within us first. If for them to reflect in our outer reality, the change has to happen in the patterns of thinking. The change has to happen in the patterns of feeling. The change has to happen in the patterns of believing and acting, okay? So you want a better result, you have to do something differently. You cannot go back to the old patterns of thinking, behaving, acting and feeling. No. So now those are the adjustments that are required in your life right now. Okay, let's look at your next card and see what it is. Wow, Taurus, you've drawn the source. This is the divine in your reading right now. This is the Sun card that you've drawn. The most positive, the most warm, abundant, happy, joy, good health, finances, money, prosperity, you name it. And this card signifies that. So, now can you see the adjustments, why it is required? Because this is where you're going. You can go. And as I said, the 1010 portal is all about potential. So you have the potential to be the sun, to be the co-creator of this beautiful life for yourself, provided you make the adjustments. Okay, now let's, yes, beautiful. You've drawn the contract card. Now this is about justice. This is about the Libra kind of an energy. Okay, balance. So you need to make adjustments and be very balanced within and without. So just too much thinking, just too much feeling, just too much acting, just too much doing something. No, a balance of both is required. The scales have to be balanced, your energies have to be balanced, and that is where the adjustments are required. Okay, and your final card is talking about birth, which is about a new beginning. And that's exactly what the energy of this 1010 portal is telling all of us. Beautiful. And it says, be receptive to a new idea, child, or situation. So this is telling me that you are coming into a new cycle, which will begin with probably just a thought, with just one feeling, with just one action. Okay, and that one action, the one action, I'm so sorry, give me a moment, that one action, that one step forward is going to change your life for you. Okay, will bring you into alignment, and once you are in alignment, you get into this beautiful abundant sun energy. Okay, so Taurus, the 1010 portal is going to bring a lot of beautiful energies into your life, and I wish and pray that they work out for you soon. Okay, so that was your reading. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Help my channel grow. I'll see you soon. Namaste. Okay, so welcome Virgo. This is your 1010 portal reading. Okay, so let me see what you've got. Oh, you've drawn, look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Couple of messages that I get straight away. First is that this is a full moon energy, which tells me that you are ending, you are releasing, you are ending a major cycle. Now, a major cycle which has not been easy. It's been tough. We all are going through tough as a collective, yes. But you've been in this for a longer time, okay? And you are releasing this right now. I mean, when I say right now, that is the energy that you will enter into, where you are saying, enough of this, I've had enough of this is not working out for me, I'm going to do something better, I'm going to do something different to bring in different, more better energies into my life. Good for you, Virgo. And look at the bigger picture. The second message that I get is, you see, when in psychology we have something called as a circle of problems. Okay, that is when we are in the circle of problems, there is only this much that we can change. The same pattern, you think in the same manner, you act in the same manner, it is because we are inside the circle. But the moment we step out of the circle and look at the circle from afar, objectively, many new things are guided to us. Many new things, you become aware of many new ways in which you can handle that situation, that person, that relationship. Okay, so that is the perspective that you need right now. You need to step out of that circle of problems and look at it in a different way, and that is that bird's eye view which we talk about. Okay, so the same situation, if you just step out and look at it objectively, you get a different perspective, and you will come into this energy, and you're being asked to pay attention to the bigger picture every time. Don't go by that one comment somebody makes, look at what is hidden behind that. Okay, yes, absolutely. Now can you see, you've drawn this conditioning card, and I want you to pay attention to this card. You see this lion amongst these sheep, and the lion is very comfortable there. Okay, and he will start thinking, feeling, behaving like a sheep, but he is not a sheep. Okay, not to say sheep is bad, it's just that everybody is different, and he's a lion, and he has to understand that he is different, okay, from those around him. He's different. Doesn't make him better or worse, I'm not saying that. It's just that he's different, but he needs to understand his own potential, that I am this and this is what I want. And that is the big picture that this is the conditioning that you've had. So the job, the co-workers around you, your boss, your financial situation, your relationships, your marriage, your friendships, they are somehow, some of them, I'm not saying all of them, there are some who have a major impact on you, and they're limiting you, and they are sort of molding you into what they are, but you are not that. So you need to understand your own potential, look at it from higher perspective, and you'll come into the realization of who you are and what is your potential and how to go about that. Beautiful. You've drawn the thinking woman, which is the Queen of Swords energy. She's a very wise energy. She's a no-nonsense energy. She's been through life. She's been through battles. She's a battle queen. She's a warrior. And she's become very wise and discerning. Now, this is the energy that you have to go into. You're a warrior. You are a warrior. You're meant for different things, bigger things. And you cannot be like a sheep. They have a different calling. You are a lion, your calling is different. And that is the understanding that you need to have. That you are different, you have a different path, you have a different destiny, and you need to understand what it is that you want. Whether it is about a job, not to say that you leave your job, leave your relationship, leave your marriage. No, it's just to understand the power, the potential that is within you, and make the necessary adjustments. Okay, if you can make better adjustments to any situation, it will bring out the power back to you, in you. Okay, and your final card says listening. Listen and the answer will be revealed. The answer is within you. The moment you look at things from a higher perspective, gain a different perspective, you become wise, you become discerning, and you get all the answers that will help you to become and realize your true potential and power. Very, very powerful reading, Virgo. I hope these energies play out for you soon, and I wish you all the very best. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, help my channel grow. I'll see you soon. Namaste. Alright, last but not the least, Capricorn. Let's see what the 1010 portal has in store for you. You've drawn New Moon in Leo. Confidence is your key to success. Alright, so a lot of Capricorns are feeling a bit insecure, feeling a bit underconfident, are not feeling very powerful, are not feeling in charge of their life for whatever reasons. Okay, and you need to understand that this 1010 portal is going to bring you into alignment with the power and the potential hidden deep within you. It is right there. Can you see this Leo energy? It's a very confident energy. He walks like the lion that he is, the king that he is. He believes in himself. Even an old lion is still a lion. Okay, so not to say you're old, I'm just saying that even a wounded lion is a lion. Okay, so that is the kind of energy that I'm picking up. You are lacking a little bit about self-confidence, about your own power. It is hidden from yourself. You need to go within and understand that you are very unique, you're special, you're powerful, and that is the potential that you need to draw out and look after it. You look after yourself, give yourself the love and attention that you deserve, and with that you will be able to reconnect with the power that is within you. Powerful, Capricorn. Beautiful. Yes, it confirms what I was saying. You've drawn the suppression card and it is the number 10 card. 10 portal, 10 number 10 card. Very, very synchronistic. This is about ending this suppression that you feel. You've been, this is the 10 of wands energy, okay? It is about carrying a lot of responsibilities, a lot of burdens in various areas of your life, or in some areas of your life, which is making you feel very, very tired, exhausted, fatigued, and it has taken a lot out of you. And it has made you question your own power, your own, whether you're on the right track, whether you're doing the right thing. Guess what? You are. It's just that you were allowing these burdens to literally bog you down. Time, the 10-10 portal is saying it's time to rise out of it. All you need to do is put down the burdens, say, I did the best I could in the circumstances, now I let them go. Surrender and release it to the divine. Say, transmute, transform and heal, please. Okay, that is the energy that you're coming in. You're letting go of all those burdens that no longer serve you, okay, and that are bogging you down. Beautiful. Now look at this dark energy and you're coming into this lighter energy. Cards never lie, okay? Tarot cards never lie. Action cards, 17, abundance, 17 works out to 8. It's about abundance. It's about the infinite power within you. And this is about taking action. Taking action where? To go within. To find that power, to find that confidence, drag it out, okay, and say, I am powerful, I am confident. And what will actually really help you is listening to powerful affirmations, I am affirmations, self-confidence affirmations, and that will bring out that hidden potential, that hidden power within you, help you believe in yourself and the actions that you're taking. That is the action that you will be guided once this 10-10 portal will open up. Beautiful, Capricorn. Moving, lovely. Change is happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. Love it for you. So first, forward movement. So whether you're going inwards and drawing out this the confidence, the universe is going to lay out a path for you, guide you to a path which is leading you towards your success, your confidence, you're regaining the confidence, your self-esteem becoming high. This could also mean a literal moving for a lot of you because of job, because of career, maybe because of marriage, into a new city, new town, new state, for some of you even a new country. Good for you. And for a lot of you, who, especially those of you who are on the spiritual path, this is about ascension, this is about evolution, this is about moving one step higher, leveling up, upgrading to a new level, okay? Love it for you, Capricorn. I wish and pray that these energies start working and unfolding into your life soon, take you to places and make you more confident. I wish you all the very best. Remember to like, subscribe and share my video on your social media. I'll see you soon. Namaste.